Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've had a lot of fun drawing some of these different Trevor Henderson creatures, and I thought I'd put a fun spin on one of them, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cartoon Godzilla character. So it's going to be Godzilla in the style of like Cartoon Cat and Cartoon Dog. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video with me today. Now, to start off with our cartoon Godzilla, we're going to begin with the eye. I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to make a big, tall oval shape like this. Now, right here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve up and down. And I'm going to add a little circle shape like this. Then I'm going to color in the rest of it. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little line that goes up and down. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to curve down, and it's going to come back like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. It's going to come around here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to go over, and then curve back up. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then this one's going to curve in. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and it's going to curve up. And then I'll make another one that's nice and skinny like this. I'll draw a little oval shape on here. And I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down to like a point and then over. I'm going to make another one right here. And then one more right here, and then curve it back. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down. That's going to come in. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down like this. Little line over, and it's going to go up and over. We'll make another little oval shape here. And then a little line is going to go down and over, come down and curve back. One more, it's going to curve down and then come up here for the foot. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up like this. Then I'm going to make it come to a point and bring it back down to here. Then starting here, we want to connect it. Right here, I'm going to draw another line. It's going to go out and then down. It's going to go over and then up for the other leg. Little oval shape, and then a little line that's going to go out and come back. One more here, and then we're just going to go right to here, a little line down. We can add another toe here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that go down. I'm going to continue them past here. Little oval shape. Little line that's going to curve down and come back. One right here. One more that goes down and comes back. And then one right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes in and then it's going to come out. And then I'm going to add some sharp teeth all the way to the back with a little line across the top here and then another little line across the bottom here. I'm going to make a little line that curves for the nose. Now, one of the last things we want to do on our cartoon Godzilla is we want to add the spikes. So I'm just going to add some pointy kind of crown-shaped spikes along here. I'm going to make a couple of them kind of flare out a bit, just so we can kind of keep that Godzilla look to him. And then we're just going to keep adding these all the way down to the end of the tail. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to jump over here, and it's going to curve right down to about there. And we'll just kind of continue with our little Godzilla lines that we usually add, and we'll go and add them all the way down here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon Godzilla inspired by Trevor Henderson. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.